Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on edges of 3D objects. In the last video we looked at faces of 3D objects. In this video we will look at the edges of 3D objects. We will continue to look at 3D objects with flat faces. The edges of a cube are all the straight lines. These occur where the faces meet. So you can see this top face here and this face here at the front. Where those two flat faces meet, we have this red line. If we look at the red line on the cube to the left, we can see that it is where two faces meet. It is an edge. So this is the edge here. So, how many edges does a cube have? The answer is 12. You've got 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and 4 on the sides, so there are 12 altogether. The rectangular prism also has 12 edges. They are not all the same length. The triangular prism above has 9 edges, so we've got 3 at the front, 3 at the back, and those 3 there. So altogether there are 9. The pentagonal prism has 15 edges, 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom, and 5 going vertically. The hexagonal prism above has 18 edges, 6 at the top, 6 at the bottom, and 6 going vertically. And finally, we can also look at pyramids too. The square pyramid above has 8 edges, 4 on the base and 4 going up to the apex. So this video has continued on from the previous one where we're looking at 3D objects, but this time we are looking at edges.